US market update for October 24. It's a Friday. And let's have a look at the SPY. Okay, so yesterday we're looking at this as a potential bearish dark cloud. Well, obviously that did not come into fruition as a dark cloud formation, but then we put in a move to the upside. This looks a bit like a potential shooting star formation or potentially a blow-off bar. So once again, if we see more downward movement here, that could be bearish. However, look, we could see some more, it could creep up. Who knows? Look, the overhead resistance of the 50-day moving average is certainly something we want to keep in mind. At this stage of the game, it kind of looks like the market does want to grind higher. However, there are headwinds. So we'll just be watching this and no particular action at this stage. So the diamonds have moved outside of this potential dark cloud cover again. So once again, the bearish formation did not confirm. We've got, once again, like a shooting star. It's above the 200-day moving average. A break below here was a potential bearish situation. But then again, we could see an inside day continuing. Who knows? So once again, it's wait and see. Looking at the Qs, and the Qs broke to the upside straight away. And we can see here that went above the 50-day moving average for a little while, only to close just below it. So probably the most positive of the major indexes that we've looked at. Once again, though, we need to see probably reclaim and stay above the 50 for a couple of sessions to get more confidence in that one. Here's the IWM chart, and this is interesting to me because we can see here that this is a slightly more bullish candle than the other candles that we saw, even more bullish than the Qs in its form, in its shape. Hasn't closed in the lower half. What I'll be looking at for the IWM is to see if this continues higher. Even if we're seeing some stagnation on the other charts, perhaps the IWM could be the key to higher movements if we do indeed see some follow through to the upside. And looking at gold here, gold's had a pullback. We're seeing a hammer formation down here. This could be like a healthy retracement before an upward move. So we're looking for gold to possibly break back upwards again, or maybe consolidate for a day or so, and then make a further move to the upside, or perhaps to the downside. But anyway, this is not necessarily a bad thing. It could be a nice healthy pullback before an upward move. We'd like to see it reclaim that 50-day, however, and get into a more positive phase. Thanks for watching. See you at the next update.